Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone. So happy to be here today.
And today, 3 verbs that most learners use interchangeably but should not.
Notice, realize, recognize.
All 3 about becoming aware of something. All 3 about understanding something.
But all 3 completely different in how you become aware and what you become aware of.
And by the end of today, you will never confuse them again.
And before we start, please subscribe to Talk Emma. New episode every single day. Share this with one friend who always mixes up these 3 words.
Okay, notice, realize, recognize. Let's go.
Okay, Emma, how are you doing today?
Really well. Although something happened this morning that I want to tell you about.
Go ahead.
So I was in the coffee shop near the office, and I noticed a woman sitting in the corner.
Okay.
And after a few minutes, I suddenly realized I know her.
Really? Who was it?
My old university friend, Sophia. I had not seen her in about 5 years.
Oh, wow. Did you recognize her straight away?
Not immediately, actually. She has changed her hair. But then I recognized her laugh. Completely distinctive.
A laugh you never forget.
Exactly. And Jack, did you notice something just now?
We used all 3 verbs naturally.
I noticed a woman. I realized I knew her. I recognized her laugh.
3 completely different moments, 3 completely different verbs.
And that is today's topic.
Let's break them down one by one.
Let's start with notice, because this one, the most immediate, the most sensory.
Notice becoming aware of something through your senses, seeing something, hearing something, feeling something.
It is that moment when something catches your attention from the outside world.
For example, I noticed she looked tired. I saw it. It caught my eye. Or, did you notice that smell? Did you sense it? Did it reach you?
Or try saying, he noticed something strange about the room. Something caught his attention. Or, I noticed a small scratch on the car. I saw it. It registered.
Notice always something from the outside, something your senses pick up.
Your eyes, your ears, your nose, your touch, all connected to notice.
And notice very immediate, very in the moment. I noticed straight away, immediately, the moment it happened. She noticed something was wrong. She sensed it. She picked it up.
And a very natural structure. Notice plus object plus verb ing.
Like, I noticed him leaving early. I saw him while he was leaving. Or she noticed the children playing outside. I saw them in the act.
Very natural, very common. You will use this constantly. Jack, what is something you always notice about people when you first meet them?
Their energy, honestly. I notice straight away whether someone is open or closed.
Interesting. I notice people's eyes. Eyes tell you everything.
Very philosophical for a Tuesday morning.
Always. Okay, realize.
Now, realize, and this one completely different from notice.
Realize a mental process, something becoming clear in your mind, understanding something suddenly or gradually.
Not something from outside, something happening inside, in your brain, in your understanding.
For example, I suddenly realized I had left my keys at home. A thought became clear. Understanding arrived. Or she realized she was wrong. It became clear to her mentally.
Or something like, he slowly realized something was not right. Gradually, over time, understanding grew. Or I realized too late that I had made a mistake. Understanding came, but after the fact.
Realize. Always internal, always mental, always about understanding.
And very often, realize has a feeling of surprise, of sudden clarity.
Like, and then I suddenly realized this is the person I want to spend my life with. A moment of complete clarity.
Very emotional, very human. Realize captures those moments perfectly.
And an important note.
Realize, British spelling, R-E-A-L-I-S-E. Realize, American spelling, R-E-A-L-I-Z-E.
Same word, same meaning, just different spelling depending on which English you use.
Both completely correct, both widely used.
Your Talk Emma uses international English, so both are fine here.
And some natural realize expressions.
Like, I did not realize that. I was not aware. Nobody told me. Or, do you realize what time it is? Are you aware? Do you understand?
Or something like, I realize now that I should have listened. I understand now, with hindsight.
Hindsight, Jack.
Hindsight means understanding something only after it has happened, looking back and seeing things more clearly than you could at the time.
With hindsight, I should have made a different decision. Now I understand, but at the time, I could not see it.
Hindsight is always 20/20, very common English expression, meaning it is always easy to understand things after they have happened.
Very natural, very wise, very human.
Emma, when did you last have a moment of realization?
Recently, actually, I was trying to solve a problem at work for days, and then, in the middle of making tea one morning, I suddenly realized the answer.
The tea revelation. Very common, actually.
Something about making tea. The brain just clicks.
The most productive moment of any British person's day.
Without question. And now, recognize. And this one, always about familiarity.
Recognize, identifying something or someone because you have experienced them before. You know them from somewhere. They are familiar.
The key word, before. You have seen this, heard this, experienced this before.
For example, I recognized her voice immediately. I knew that voice from before. It was familiar. Or, do you recognize this song? Have you heard it before? Is it familiar?
Or try saying, I recognized him from the photograph. I identified him because I had seen his photo. Or, she recognized the smell of her grandmother's kitchen. Familiar, from memory, from before.
Recognize, always about previous experience, always about familiarity.
And recognize, also used for acknowledging something formally.
Like the company recognized her hard work. They acknowledged it. They gave it formal recognition. Or his talent was finally recognized, officially acknowledged, given the credit it deserved.
And some very natural recognize expressions, like, I did not recognize you at first. Very natural. You look different. Or, I would recognize that laugh anywhere. Very distinctive. Impossible to forget.
Or something like, do you recognize anyone here? Do you know anyone? Is anyone familiar?
You will use this constantly in social situations. Now, let's put all three together, side by side, so the difference is crystal clear.
Same situation, 3 different moments, 3 different verbs.
You're walking down the street, and you see someone. Moment 1. Notice. I noticed someone standing outside the cafe. My eyes caught them. My senses picked them up. I became aware of their presence.
Moment 2. Recognize. And then I recognized her. I identified her. She was familiar. I had seen her before.
Moment 3. Realize. And I suddenly realized it was my old friend from school. Understanding arrived in my mind. Mental clarity. The connection was made.
Just like that. 3 sentences, 3 moments. 3 completely different verbs, and they often happen in exactly that order.
First, you notice something. Then, you recognize it. Then, you realize what it means.
Notice, recognize, realize.
The natural sequence of awareness. In real life. Every day.
Now, one complete natural conversation. Notice, realize, recognize.
all flowing naturally.
Two friends catching up after an interesting day.
Emma, you seem distracted. Is everything okay?
Sorry, I keep thinking about something that happened this morning.
What happened?
I was on the train and I noticed a man sitting across from me. Something about him seemed familiar.
Did you recognize him?
Not at first, but then he smiled, and I recognized his smile immediately. It was my old neighbor from when I was a child.
No, really?
Yes, I had not seen him in maybe 20 years, and then I realized he had not changed at all, not even a little.
Some people are just like that.
I know, and here's the funny part. He noticed me too, but he did not recognize me at first.
Well, 20 years is a long time.
Exactly, and then I said his name, and I could see the moment he realized who I was. His whole face changed.
That must have been such a lovely moment.
It really was. We talked for the whole journey, and I realized we had so much still in common.
Did you notice anything different about him?
His voice. I noticed his voice was exactly the same. I would have recognized it anywhere.
Some things never change.
No, they really do not.
And did everyone catch all 3 words throughout? Just 2 friends talking about a beautiful, unexpected moment.
And 3 verbs, each doing their own unique job.
And now, in English, you can express all 3 precisely, naturally.
If today's episode made notice, realize, and recognize finally simple,
Please like this video.
subscribe to Talk Emma.
Share this with one friend who always mixes up these 3 words.
And leave us a comment. Which verb was completely new for you today? Or tell us, have you ever noticed someone and then suddenly realized who they were?
We read every single comment, every one.
Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode. Until then,
Keep talking, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.